So, are you also feel bored after doing a work for some times, and do you want a solution? With the help of the solution, you can do a work for a long time and not to get bored easily. Then guys, this video is a perfect video for you, because today I am going to talk about a simple small course that is your solution. Okay, so hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in this brand new video. So first of all, let's talk about the quote. This quote is that everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. I will repeat it again, listen it very carefully. Everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. These simple quotes can teach us number of things. It is a source of energy, motivation, confidence. As much as you go deeper with the help of the quotes, you can get number of things, you can learn number of things. If you want to achieve your goals, your final goals, then you have to be crazy with your work. Like, what is my work? My work is developing my speaking skills, making video. That's why I also always make new ideas. Like, my best idea is making the videos in the outdoor side. Whenever I can't go in the outdoors, then I always prefer to make videos in my home, in my backyard. Many people, they always watch me that I am making video, I am speaking in English, what I am speaking they don't understand. That's why they also laugh at me. But guys, I will tell you one thing: if you want good days, if you want beautiful days, then you also have to work towards them, otherwise they won't come. In your life, in your journey, many people will come, they will try to stop you, they will try to push you behind. But in that moment, you have to cut all of them and just you have to focus on your work. Remember one thing guys, they laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. It also can be that a number of people, they wants to learn the English language. Many people, they advise them, they learn the grammar, just start the journey with the grammar. But people are saying that grammar is important, grammar is important. It is not means that without the help of grammar you can't learn the English language. Grammar is only some basic rules that you have to follow to speak the English, but it is not the English. Okay, you have to store words, you have to store sentences, and after all that you have to mix them and you have to use them. So first of all, you have to learn how to speak. You need more and more sentences, more and more stock words, then you need the grammar rules. Like, best example is the stories. I also started my English learning journey by only the stories, and now also whenever I get time I read some story. After reading it, I try to explain it, and now I am here, I am speaking for only the stories. So it is also craziness. Always try to do something new. Okay, something new, just create some new ideas to study. It can be that you also want to study the books, your own subjects for a long time for good marks. Then I will tell you, I will give you advice that make some new ways to learn the question and answer, make some new ways to read the tell everyone. It is how to not get bored easily. It is also have a simple idea I will give you. It is whenever you are reading a book, whenever you were just doing a work for a long time and suddenly you just feel bored, in that moment just pause the work for a little moment, for 2 minutes also. Just pause the work, sit silently, and then close your eyes. By closing your eyes, just imagine. Okay, just imagine. Just try to put the thoughts in your brain. Just try to see the future in front of your eyes by closing them. Just think the benefits of the work that you are doing, what is the benefits of them. Just try to watch your future. If today I just do that work, if I do the hard work, then tomorrow I also can get the fruit of the work. Whenever I also feel bored by making video, then I pause the video and I just sit freely and I just think that what is the benefits of making video. And then one thought just came in and brain that now today I am doing the hard works, I am not getting more and more subscribers, not perfect watch time, not many views, but one day the day will come when everyone will follow me, when everyone will just subscribe me, my subscribers will grow up, and I always like to share my thoughts, share my ideas to all of you, with all of you. That's why I always try to make videos, so this simple thinking can just change yourself fully differently. And the thing that I always follow is I want to be a motivational speaker, and I know that only the way, with the help of the YouTube, I can achieve this goal, and it is only in your hand. So guys, try to please share this video and follow the rule. Just pause and think in yourself what the future will be. A future also can give you many motivation and confidence to do the work. Subscribe, like, share, comment, supportable comment, and you like comment me a good comment, then also I get more and more support from there. So guys, bye bye, I will meet you in the next video. Remember, listen English, read English, write English, but speak English with Pradeep Burman.